So this is an eastern whippoorwill. They are nocturnal aerial insectivores. As you can see, they have really large wings, really powerful wings. And you can tell that this is a male, because if you look at the tail, you can see the big white patches in the outer three tail feathers. If this were a female, it would be much more brown and barred, and then the tip would be a dull white. So as you can see, it has little whiskers on the front of its face. They're called rictal bristles. This is how the bird sort of senses its prey items in the sky, and then it opens its big mouth and eats them. So they have really large mouths. This is how they eat bugs out of the air. So we can tell that this is an after second year bird. I don't think we can age them to third year, but there is no cinnamon tipping on these coverts here. You can see it's just kind of brown spots, and then the edges are just sort of that really dark brown. If this were a second year, this would be really cinnamon, like similar to this lighter brown color, except right at the tips of these feathers up here.